Hello, and you are very welcome back. The weather has been incredible for the past while, so we've been out putting the finishing touches to the new beds and also digging the pond, which we'll show in this video. We started by forking up the loose soil to make it easier to shovel out. Kay has been giving me Chinese lessons while we dig, so that explains the slow progress here. I had wanted to put a pond into the garden for years but could never decide where it would go best. I finally decided to take out the raised bed from this spot right beside the wildflower area and under the shade of the trees. Luckily, before the lockdown came into effect and the garden centres closed, I managed to get a 4x4 metre sheet of pond liner, which was perfectly suited to our needs. So the pond is just under 4 meters at its longest points and about half a meter deep at the bottom, with 3 tiers of depth to support a diverse range of wildlife. It was also important for me to have sloped edges, as otherwise hedgehogs could drown if they fell in and couldn't get out. I originally thought that I would need to bring out the pickaxe to get down to the bottom, but the soil in this part of the garden just crumbled away with very few stones. It has me feeling very optimistic about the new beds around the pond. So that's it. It still needs some plants to help keep it oxygenated, but all the garden centres are closed at the moment, so I'll just have to wait a while and replenish it with the hose in the meantime. If you have any thoughts, be sure to leave a comment and hit the subscribe button. The next video will be another full tour of the homestead and all the progress we've been making over the past month.